Yarrney.
Hello, welcome to Yarrney. If you've ever worked on a pattern where it called for a double crochet decrease and you got stuck because you've never seen a double crochet decrease, you're at the right place. In this tutorial, you will learn how to do the double crochet decrease. So here I have a little patch where I did rows of double crochet, and I will demonstrate how you would do a double crochet decrease in the next stitch. So a decrease is basically merging two stitches together. So to do a double crochet decrease, you're going to wrap the yarn around your hook like this. You insert your hook under the next stitch. Then you pull the yarn back through the stitch, and you have 3 loops on your hook. So now you wrap the yarn around your hook and you pull it through the first 2 loops. And then you wrap the yarn around your hook and you insert it in the following stitch. Now you pull the yarn back through the stitch, and then you wrap the yarn around your hook, you pull it through the first 2 loops. And now you see you have 3 loops on your hook left. Wrap the yarn around your hook, you will pull it through all 3 loops. And this is a double crochet decrease. So I'll just demonstrate it one more time. Wrapping the yarn around your hook, insert it in the next stitch, pull the yarn back through the stitch, and now you have 3 loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through the first 2 loops, then wrap the yarn around your hook, insert it in the next stitch, pull the yarn back through the stitch, so you have 4 loops on your hook, wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through the first 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through all 3 loops. And that's it. This is how you do a double crochet decrease. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching.